Amazon Prime for free 30 days, you need link in bio. Imagine your family's reaction when they see your kitchen running on autopilot. In 2026, these new Amazon finds are making everyone ask, where on earth did you get that? I've discovered 25 mind-blowing gadgets, from blenders that clean themselves at 158 degrees to one-touch tools that do all the heavy lifting for you. These aren't just gadgets, they're your new kitchen assistants. If you want to reclaim your independence and leave your guests speechless, stay tuned. Let's dive into the top 25 life-changing kitchen finds for 2026. Cold press juicer. Amazon products you need if you're serious about healthy living, and this one's a game changer. This cold press juicer is like having 3 machines in one: juice, nut milk, even sorbet. If you're tired of loud juicers, endless chopping, and messy cleanup, yeah, same here. It's such a hassle you just stop using it. But this one, you drop in whole fruits, no prep. It runs super quiet and the juice yield is insane. Plus, everything pops out and goes straight into the dishwasher. Safe Mandoline food slicer for kitchen. Amazon products you need if you're terrified of those old school mandolins that basically feel like a trip to the ER waiting to happen. This safe Mandoline food slicer for kitchen is a total game changer for meal prep. We've all been there, trying to slice veggies for dinner, but ending up with uneven pieces or, even worse, a nasty cut because the blades are way too exposed. This fixes everything. Its hidden blade design keeps your fingers 100% safe while giving you over 35 different cutting options, from perfect julienne to matchsticks. It's foldable, easy to clean, and cuts prep time in half. Jar opener for weak hand and seniors with arthritis. Amazon products you need to finally stop the painful struggle of fighting with stubborn jar lids that just won't budge. This jar opener for weak hand and seniors with arthritis is a total game changer for your kitchen. Are you tired of hurting your wrists or having to wait for someone else to open a simple jar of pickles? It is the absolute worst. This tool features dual stainless steel teeth that grip any lid up to 5 inches wide with zero slipping. The extra long handle gives you massive leverage, so the opener does all the hard work for you. Immersion blender handheld corded hand. Amazon products you need to stop struggling with lumpy soups and messy splatters in your kitchen. This Immersion blender handheld corded hand is a total game changer for anyone who loves smooth results. Are you tired of transferring hot liquids to a bulky blender just to have it explode everywhere or leave huge chunks behind? It is the absolute worst. This beast has a massive 1100-watt motor and a scratch-free nylon guard that protects your expensive pans. It features an intuitive speed trigger and swappable attachments that click on in seconds. 15 pieces knife sets for kitchen with block. Amazon products you need to stop struggling with dull, rusty knives that ruin your dinner prep. This 15 pieces knife sets for kitchen with block is a total game changer for your countertop. Are you tired of sawing through a simple tomato or having your mismatched knives start rusting after just a few washes? It is the absolute worst. These are forged from high-carbon German steel with a sleek black non-stick coating so nothing clings to the blade. Plus, the block has a built-in sharpener so you can get a razor edge in seconds with just one hand. Food warming mat with heat-resistant pad. Amazon products you need to stop serving cold food at your family dinners. This food warming mat with heat-resistant pad is an absolute game changer for hosting. Are you tired of spending hours cooking a big meal just for the first dish to go ice cold by the time the last one is ready? It is the absolute worst. This mat features 6 adjustable heat levels and a built-in timer so your food stays at the perfect serving temperature. It's safe for glass or marble tables, has a child lock, and even warms up baby bottles. Titanium cutting board set of 3. Amazon products you need to stop using those moldy, bacteria-trapping wooden boards. This titanium cutting board set of 3 is a total game changer for a hygienic kitchen. Are you tired of deep knife grooves in your plastic boards that never get clean, or that weird smell that lingers on bamboo? It is the absolute worst. This set features 3 sizes of solid titanium alloy that are non-porous, odor-resistant, and won't warp or shred. They're double-sided to separate raw and cooked foods and rinse clean in seconds or go straight in the dishwasher. 400 pieces pre-rolled silver plastic silverware sets. Amazon products you need to save your sanity during party prep. This 400 pieces pre-rolled silver plastic silverware sets is a total game changer for hosting. Are you tired of spending hours rolling napkins and polishing cutlery before your guests even arrive? or facing a mountain of dishes when you're exhausted? It is the absolute worst. This set comes perfectly pre-wrapped with heavy-duty silver forks, knives, and spoons inside a premium napkin. They look like real luxury silverware, but you can just toss them afterward. Perfect for weddings or big dinners. Kitchen Cookware Set. Amazon products you need if your kitchen feels cluttered and cooking is a hassle. This one is a total upgrade. This kitchen cookware set is super versatile and honestly makes cooking way easier. If you're dealing with bulky pots, hard cleanup, or handles getting in the way, it gets annoying fast. This set has a removable handle so you can stack everything and save space. The nonstick coating means food slides right off, and it works on any stove. Cleanup is crazy easy too. Cast iron juicer. Amazon products you need for your kitchen to stop wasting money. This cast iron juicer is a total game changer for anyone who loves fresh juice. Tired of struggling with those tiny handheld squeezers that leave half the juice behind and make a huge mess? It's so frustrating. This heavy-duty beast uses a professional leverage handle to squeeze every single drop from lemons, oranges, or even pomegranates in seconds. It's super sturdy, easy to clean, and looks amazing on your counter. Ceramic air fryer. Amazon products you need to finally quit cooking with toxic chemicals. This ceramic air fryer is a total game changer for your kitchen. Are you tired of that gross Teflon smell or struggling with air fryers that leave your fries soggy and uneven? It is the absolute worst. This beast hits 450 degrees for maximum crunch and features a see-through window with a built-in meat thermometer for perfect results every time. It's 100% non-toxic, uses 95% less oil, and the ceramic basket is a breeze to clean. The link is in my bio. Grab it before it sells out. Cordless electric lunchbox. Amazon products you need to stop eating sad, cold sandwiches at your desk. This cordless electric lunchbox is a total game changer for anyone working on the go. Are you tired of waiting in line for the gross office microwave or being stuck with a cold meal because you're out in a truck or on a construction site? It is the absolute worst. This has a massive 20,000 milliampere hour battery for 5-sided surround heating that locks in moisture so your food tastes fresh, not rubbery. It's totally leak-proof, dishwasher safe, and even charges your phone. Rotary cheese grater 5-blade cheese shredder. Amazon products you need to finally stop cutting your fingers on those old-school metal graters. This rotary cheese grater 5-blade cheese shredder is a total game changer for your taco nights. Are you tired of spending 20 minutes shredding a single block of cheese or struggling to slice potatoes thin enough for chips? It is the absolute worst. This tool is 18 times faster than hand cutting and comes with 5 interchangeable blades for slicing, shredding, and julienne. It has a powerful suction base so it won't budge, and it's completely dishwasher safe. Slushie machine and soft serve ice cream machine. Amazon products you need to finally stop spending a fortune on frozen treats and start hosting the ultimate slushie parties at home. This slushie machine and soft serve ice cream machine is a total game changer for your kitchen. Are you tired of craving a silky soft serve or a refreshing spiked slushie only to find the local shop closed or way too expensive? It is the absolute worst. This beast uses iWhirl technology for perfect textures and QuickCool tech to get your drinks ready in a snap. It has 5 modes from milkshakes to cocktails and even features a one-touch self-cleaning mode. Ceramic Nonstick Cookware Set. Amazon products you need if you're serious about cooking healthy without the hassle. This one is a must-have. This blue ceramic non-stick cookware set feels like a total upgrade the moment you use it. If you're tired of food sticking, pans scratching, or worrying about toxic coatings, yeah, I've been there. This set heats super evenly, nothing sticks, and it's made with clean, chemical-free ceramic. Plus, it's insanely durable, like scratch-resistant tough, and works on all stovetops, even Induction. Electric Kettle. Amazon products you need if you actually care about your coffee and tea. This one is next level. This electric kettle gives you barista level control right at home. If your coffee tastes off or your tea gets bitter, it's probably your water temp and pouring messing it up. This lets you set the exact temperature, keeps it warm for hours, and the gooseneck spout gives you perfect, smooth control. Even has a built-in timer for your pour over. I dropped the link in the description. Don't wait, this one's a must-have for your setup. Double portable induction cooktop. Amazon products you need if you love cooking but hate the chaos in your kitchen. This one changes everything. This double portable induction cooktop is basically a full stovetop you can take anywhere. If you've ever struggled cooking multiple dishes at once, one pan burns while the other's not even hot yet, yeah, it's frustrating. This lets you cook 2 meals at the same time with totally separate controls. One side sears, the other simmers perfectly. Plus, the touch panel is super sleek and wipes clean in seconds. Vacuum machine. Amazon products you need if you're tired of wasting food and money. This one is a total lifesaver. This vacuum machine makes storing food ridiculously easy and keeps everything fresh way longer. If you've ever had leftovers go bad in days or freezer burn ruin your meat, you know how annoying that is. This thing seals like a pro with super strong suction, and you can use it over and over without overheating. Plus, it's one-hand operation and even has built-in bag storage and a cutter. So convenient. Hydrogen water bottle generator. Amazon products you need to finally upgrade your hydration and boost your energy levels. This hydrogen water bottle generator is a total game changer for your wellness routine. Are you tired of feeling sluggish after workouts or drinking plain water that just doesn't seem to help with recovery? It is the absolute worst. This bottle uses advanced tech to deliver up to 4,100 parts per billion of pure molecular hydrogen, helping you recover faster and perform better. It features a sleek OLED display, a long-lasting battery, and even comes with a nasal cannula for H2 inhalation. 4. Probe Wi-Fi wireless meat thermometer. Amazon products you need to stop ruining expensive steaks and overcooking your holiday roast. This 4-probe Wi-Fi wireless meat thermometer is an absolute game changer for every backyard barbecue legend. Are you tired of babysitting the grill for hours or dealing with tangled wires that snap every time you close the lid? It is the absolute worst. This smart device features 4 wireless probes and connects to your phone via Wi-Fi, so you can monitor your meat from anywhere. They're dishwasher safe, last 25 hours on a charge, and even alert you before the food is overdone. Vacuum sealer kit. Amazon products you need to stop wasting money on spoiled food and stale snacks. This vacuum sealer kit is a total game changer for your pantry organization. Are you tired of your expensive nuts, coffee, or dried fruits going soft because those mason jar lids just aren't airtight enough? It is the absolute worst. This cordless electric device fits both wide and regular mouth jars and sucks out all the air in just 40 seconds with one button click. It is super portable for picnics and eliminates the need for those bulky, messy vacuum machines with tangled hoses. Kitchen floor mats cushioned anti-fatigue. Amazon products you need to finally stop your legs from aching every time you try to cook a decent meal. This kitchen floor mats cushioned anti-fatigue is a total game changer for your home. Are you tired of that throbbing pain in your feet and lower back after standing on a hard kitchen floor for just 20 minutes? It is the absolute worst. This mat features a memory foam liner that provides incredible cushion support to take the pressure off your joints. It's completely waterproof and stain resistant, so you can just wipe away grease or sauce spills with one quick swipe. Electric salt and pepper grinder set. Amazon products you need to stop struggling with those annoying manual grinders that barely give you any pepper. This electric salt and pepper grinder set is a total game changer for your dinner table. Are you tired of twisting your wrist forever just to season a steak, or having your batteries die right in the middle of a big family meal? It is the absolute worst. This set is fully rechargeable via Type-C, has a massive capacity so you rarely refill, and even features a built-in LED light so you can see exactly where you're seasoning. Plus, it's sleek stainless steel and has 6 coarseness levels. Bag storage organizer for kitchen drawer. Amazon products you need to finally fix that chaotic junk drawer filled with exploding plastic bag boxes. This bag storage organizer for kitchen drawer is a total game changer for your pantry. Are you tired of struggling to pull out a single sandwich bag, only to have the whole cardboard box rip or jam your drawer shut? It is the absolute worst. This solid bamboo organizer has 4 dedicated slots that perfectly fit gallon, quart, sandwich, and snack sizes. It even comes with 21 labels, so you can find exactly what you need in seconds. 2 packs under sink organizer. Amazon products you need to finally fix that chaotic disaster under your sink and get 150% more storage space instantly. This 2 packs under sink organizer is a total game changer for anyone dealing with a messy cabinet. Are you tired of digging through a mountain of cleaning supplies and banging your head against the pipes just to find one spray bottle? It is the absolute worst. This organizer has a genius L-shaped design that curves right around your plumbing and features 3 adjustable height levels to fit those extra tall bottles. It's made of heavy-duty carbon steel that holds 50 pounds and wipes clean in seconds.